Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix trouble log into ESPN Fantasy Football on. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet. Check Wi-Fi or mobile data. Scroll down from the top right corner. From here, you can check your Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, go to the App Store. Once you're on your home page, tap on your profile at the top right corner and check if your ESPN Fantasy app is updated. An old version can cause login problems, so tap Update if available. Close the app completely, swipe up from the bottom and swipe away the app, then reopen the app and try logging in again. Make sure you are entering the correct email and password linked to your ESPN account. If you forget your password, tap forget password to reset it. Sometimes the ESPN servers might be down. You can check online or on social media if others are having issue. If the servers are down, you just need to wait a bit, and that's it. These steps should get you back into ESPN Fantasy Football on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.